How to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. To get started, open up the Safari browser on your phone. You can also use other browsers for this. Then, in your browser, go to open.spotify.com. Once you're here on this page, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then, tap on Premium. Scroll down and tap on View All Plans. Here, you can see all the available premium plans on Spotify. Scroll down and explore all the types of premium plans. After that, tap on your preferred plan. For example, I'm choosing the Premium Duo plan. Tap on Get Premium Duo. For this plan, you can get 2 premium accounts. The billing will be done monthly and you can cancel it anytime online. Now, select your preferred payment method for the plan. I'm choosing credit or debit card. After that, fill in the necessary credentials like your card number, expiry date, and security code. And once you're done filling in all the details, scroll down and tap on Complete Purchase to purchase your premium plan. The purchasing process is now completed. So this is how you can easily buy Spotify Premium on iPhone by following these steps.